everyone, welcome back to Cantonese in 365 days. Today we are talking about 3 super useful Cantonese words. 好,好好,好好多. They look similar, but actually they're used differently. Let's see how to use them. The first one, 好. This word has a few different uses. The first one, opposite of bad, so it means good. Example, 阿陳係好人，佢成日幫我哋。阿陳係好人，佢成日幫我哋。Mr. Chan is a good person. He always helps us. 阿陳係好人，好人 good person. 佢成日幫我哋。Second ways to use expressing agreement means okay, fine. 好，就咁啦。好，就咁啦。Okay, let's do it in this way. 好，就咁啦。The third way, describing a quality with a verb. 生食至好食，生食至好食。Eating it raw is the best way to eat it. 好食，食 is the verb. 生食至好食。The last way, resultative complements. 單車整好咗啦。單車整好咗啦。好 here means done, completed. 單車整好咗啦。Two more special ways. As a modal verb meaning should. 3點鐘啦，好走啦。It's 3 o'clock, should get going now. 3點鐘啦，好走啦。The second special way, as a adverb meaning very. 先生好瘦，太太好肥。先生好瘦，太太好肥。The husband is very thin. The wife is very fat. 先生好瘦，太太好肥。So there are total 6 ways to use 好. Let's talk about the second word. 好,好. This is simple. It's just adverb with adjectives. So it means very good or very well. Let's see an example. 佢喺香港好好，唔使擔心。佢喺香港好好，唔使擔心。She's doing well in Hong Kong. No need to worry. Let's see the last word. This is 好 plus 好多, which is adjective with complement structure. 前2日肚餓，而家好好多啦。I had diarrhea 2 days ago, but now I'm much better. 前2日肚餓，而家好好多啦。So remember, 好 means good, very, should. 好好 means very good, very well. 好好多 means much better, improved. That's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.